Hello, today we're at Globestock Safety. Globestock Safety supply and manufacture confined space entry equipment and working at height. Today we're joined by Stuart. Stuart is a sales and partnership manager here at Globestock. Could you tell us a bit about Globestock, please?
Hello Liz. Yes, with Globestock Safety have been manufacturing equipment since 1982. We manufacture here in Arsenal Street of all fall protection, confined space and loader vest equipment. Everything we keep in stock, ready for immediate dispatch for you safely. Here you have an example of our new Sentry tripod, the GSC 230 Compact, 3 head pulleys and 2 underslung bow nuts. This is a confined space entry system. So here we would normally see attached an SRL or fall arrest recovery block, our saver, and a personnel winch as well, allowing for recovery, offering a complete, quick and easy, simple solution to confined space entry. Behind us you can see the production and assembly area for all of our fall protection and confined space equipment. We manufacture everything here on site, ourselves, machine shop, through to the final assembly, to testing, ready for this dispatch. And this includes especially our own wire ropes, so we can control and keep everything built perfect for the customer.
Rockall Safety are happy to be partnered with Globestock Safety. If you want to receive a quote today, please get in contact.